Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard title in PUBG updated. Start by aiming for high placement finishes and winning clutch fights to secure consistent rating gains. Focus daily on title missions and weekly objectives, and use duo or squad play to improve survivability. Manage playtime to avoid burnout, and review match replays to fix mistakes. Balance aggressive looting with safe positioning to build steady Vanguard progress over time. Begin each session by checking active title missions and prioritizing the highest point rewards for Vanguard progress. Drop into familiar zones to reduce time lost to navigation and focus on winning fights smartly. Communicate with teammates about rotations, loot sharing, and safe zone timing to avoid unnecessary losses. When a mission is close, adjust playstyle to secure objectives instead of chasing early eliminations that cost survival and points. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during grind sessions, so grab an Owala water bottle for reliable sipping between drops and clutch plays. It seals tightly, fits most cup holders, and keeps water handy while you focus on rank pushes and mission streaks. If you found this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help more players find Vanguard tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Adopt a conservative early game and escalate aggression in mid to late game to maximize placement and kills for Vanguard points. Prioritize utility like smoke and healing to survive final circles and clutch situations. Practice common choke rotations and edge play to force favorable fights. Review replays for positioning errors and grenade usage. Then intentionally practice those scenarios in casual matches to iron out bad habits and reinforce winning choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.